Pag last two,
Sir, did you attempt or are you still attempting ma-unseat yung majority ngayon?
No, same answer 2 weeks ago, same answer dun sa One News, di ba? Na walang active ano ngayon. But if it falls in our lap, sumama yung iba, etc. Kung opposition ka, you always want to be administration. Kung minority ka, you always want to be majority. But I really think right now, it's more of our supporters. Vigilant ang supporters ni Senator Soto and their majority na wag sila mapalitan kasi they believe in what they're doing. Pero very enthusiastic, active ang supporters ng minority na dahil naniniwala din sila na may magagawa kaming mabuti.
So sir, wala po kaming inaasahan na palitan ng liderato bago po matapos yung sesyon?
I don't think so. I think birthday na handa ni...
Wala namang pinapaikot na resa, sir?
Wala.